So welcome to my channel. Actually, today I want to demonstrate how to reset your Google Home Mini. So actually, why we need reset, right? I mean, the thing is actually, um, so there was an issue with my Google Home Mini. I'm not able to configure the Google Home Mini at all. Okay, the thing is, I tried various times actually. Now I've successfully completed the setup, but the thing is, it was not working. Okay, I most of the times I choose home and it was coming like looking for the devices. Then it used to come like device found. Then when I click on X, yes, okay, it turned to blue color, and it was like saying that connecting to the phone. Message like error connecting to the Google Home Mini. So that was a message I was getting. Okay, so then finally, okay, I was going through a lot of things like to see the what is the color, the blue light. Okay, so blue light says verified device, and it was not connecting. So that then finally I googled a lot and found the way to reset your Google Home Mini. So the way is actually the thing is it's really kind of straightforward, but I never thought there is an option to reset the Google Home Mini because there is no way we can do it via the factory reset. Okay, I mean directly we cannot do using a Google Home Mini or anything, any kind of factory reset. Okay, you cannot use an app. Okay, the thing is, so they are mentioned clearly, right? The press and hold the factory reset button located below the power car of the button of the Mini for about 15 to 60, 15 seconds, and look for the circle in that base. You'll hear the Google to confirm that this is resetting Mini. Note that you cannot use your voice or Google Home Mini app to reset a factory's Mini settings. Okay, so
You are about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button. To continue resetting, keep pressing the button.
I think we need to hold it for 15 seconds. Actually, there is a hidden button here. There's a hidden button. This is the one.
You are about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button. To continue resetting, keep pressing the button.
I'm keep pressing it, okay, to see. I just want you just finish it, just completed, okay. So then I try to reconfigure again. Now it's looking for the devices. It found Google Home Mini. It's taking them some time. I'll just pause the video. No, it's connected now.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
I think it just initialized after the factory reset. And my Google Home, my phone is trying to connect still. Yeah, it just connected now. And I need to connect to my network. It's connecting now. It automatically takes the password from your existing Wi-Fi connection. You don't need to give any password. Actually, that is a good thing. It's asking some kind of confirmation. I need to click on next.